Solar garden light 2 control modes free switch. Remote control mode switchable light or timed long light duration. Always bright 10-12 hours brightness 100%. Always bright 6-8 hours 100% brightness increases 25% brightness. Mode human body sensing mode. Red sensor prober. Nobody one passes by twilight 25%. When someone passes by about 7-8 meters away full bright 100%. People walk after 20 automatically adjust twilight by 25%. Wide range of applications residential area villa courtyard park scenic area and so on.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.